Hi, this is Alan Smith. We're north of Plant City, Florida. The Tropicana train is coming, and we're at the Defect Detector. This is where it's going to measure the length of the train, axles, speed, and if anything is defected on the train. Let's watch them go through here and try to hear a radio call from them. Here's all the mechanisms here on the track to detect if anything is dragging on the train, like a broken hose or any other system that's hanging from the train. This will detect it and will send a message to Jacksonville and to the engineer and to radio saying that there's a defect on the train. Tropicana is now approaching the defect detector.
Defect Detector, milestone 81819. Equipment Defect Detector, milestone 81119. No defect. No defect. Loads of train 8874. Train speed 24. Total axle 652. Battery transmission. Defect Detector, milestone 8